Hello everyone and welcome to this course. In the former lesson we talked about how to create a new page and how to export files and images. In this lesson we will get to know the interface. As you see, this is the interface. We have the toolbar on the left right here. And here is the layer option menu. And we have these menus right here. The file, the edit, image, layer, type, etc. And from here we can make all these features appear or we can hide them. When you check something it appears, when you uncheck it, it disappears. We can show and hide everything we want. Now we will talk about four main things in the Photoshop. First we will start with the tool list right here on the left. This is it on the left, and I will explain each tool in details further in the course. I will be covering each tool in details. Second, we go for the layers. Anything you see in the design page, you can control it from the layers area right here. As you see, you can drag the layer menu wherever you like from here, but I rather put it in here. For me, I rather put it right here. And you can hide it or show it from right here, from the window, as you see. As I said, anything appears in the design page, it will appear right here too. Because every design consists from layers. For example, here we have two layers, one for the image and one for the text. For example, I click here to remove the layer, or I drag it beneath the other one. As you see, the text is gone because we made it underneath the image. And if I hide the image, the text appears. So if I want to show the text, I drag its layer to the top like this, and here it is. So every design consists from layers, and they appear in this menu, which we can control them from. Now if I want to apply change to only one layer, not the whole design, so what I do is I go to the layer that I want to edit, then right click and I make the changes. Like this. For example, I want to work on this layer, so right click, then I go to blending options. And I can apply whatever I want on it. Let's say I want to change the color, so I go like this, as you see. So this is how to control and change any layer. Same thing right here, if I want to change the image alone. I can make a stroke or shadow or glow or anything. And from here I can control the opacity like this, as you see. So from here we can show, hide layers, change and edit them in any way we like. Like this, or anything we like. I go like this to open a new folder and put the image inside it, like this. And I can apply any filter I like by doing like this. From this menu I can apply any filter I want. Bottom line is that the layer menu is extremely important because it enables us to control, edit and change the layers. Because as I said before, every design is basically a set of multiple layers. So from here we can edit the layers. The third thing is the navigator window. From here I can zoom in or out at the image, which gives me the ability to work comfortably, and I can see things I can see in the regular size, and also it's very handy when we want to cut an image. We zoom in and we start cutting an image if we want to. You can make it appear by checking its name right here. The fourth thing is the history tool right here. From here you can undo whatever thing you did, whether by choice or by mistake. I'll explain. For example, I went here and I changed the color. So I did change the text color. Then I changed my mind and wanted to use the older color. So all I have to do is to go back here and I click here and here we go. So whatever you did, you can undo it easily by going from here. For example, let's say I have drawn in here something. So this was just a mistake. I didn't mean to do this. All I have to do is to go to the history menu from here and I go back like this. And you can make the history tool or menu appear from here as well. So this is the four main things I wanted to show you: the tool list, the layer menu, the navigator, and the history tool or menu. That's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next lesson.